Okay, this is the menu.
My dream started when I learned cooking with my sister. After that, I started working in restaurants.
One day someone start like make a burger and hot dogs. I say one day song, I know how to make tacos and I love. We can do tacos, something different.
So I just had carnitas tacos. That's what I had. Yeah, do you have the same thing? It was wonderful. Yeah, it's delicious.
I told my wife, I think we have to stop right now because we don't have any more money. But she said, we can't stop, so never give up your dream.
It was excellent. Perfectly sized, tasted amazing.
I had the beef tacos. Super.
And one lady, she American, and she say, oh my God, I never eat taco like that. That's the best taco of my life. Made me like cry because I say, oh my God, how I did this taco and somebody say something this about us.